everyone, Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's we'll try to do the touch sampling test on the iQOO Z3 device. As you can see friends, so this is the exact iQOO Z3 model which I'm trying to use right now, and let's see how much is the touch sampling rate of this exact model. And the company is claiming the phone has got the 180 Hz touch sampling rate. That is what the iQOO team they are saying, but let's see actually in the practical test how much the touch sampling rate we can actually get it. So that is what I'm going to test by using these two applications right now which I did install. So before that, let me even show you exactly what refresh rate I'm trying to use during this process of demonstration. As you can see friends, right now I'm trying to use a 120 Hz refresh rate. Let me go back and let me open the first application. So let's see how much the touch sampling rate we can expect by using this application which is called the Touch Multi-Test. So which is available in the Play Store. If you want, you can download and you can test even in a smartphone device as well. Let me quickly move the finger. As you can see friends, right now I'm getting about 240 Hz as you can see. So usually in the iQOO device is that the touch sampling rate will be very higher if you try to play the games. Only when you're trying to play the games, the touch sampling rate will be really high. So right now this application I did not add into the ultra game mode. That is the reason you are seeing really low touch sampling rate. Let me go back and go to the settings. I need to enable that ultra game mode as well. So in this ultra game mode, I need to add the applications as a game. So these are the two applications which I need to add. So which is a multi-touch and touch screen. So these are the two applications which right now I'm trying to demonstrate. Only those two applications right now I did add as a game as well. Let me need to quickly go back and try to open the applications again. So let's see friends right now. So as soon as I open the application, so it should be opening in the gaming mode. Let me need to try closing and opening again. Let's see. As you can see right now the game booster has been started. So now this will enhance the touch sampling rate as well. So before it was 240 Hz which we did see. Right now let's see what will be there. As you can see right now we are getting about 320 somewhere around that. As you can see 310 and 320 as you can see friends clearly. I can see the maximum maybe close to 310. That is what I did see, 310 only. So now the 310 we got the score, and now we need to do the minus thing. So 310, so 310 sorry minus 120 Hz touch sampling rate which the mobile has got. As you can see friends, overall we are getting about 190 Hz. So the company did climb up to close to 180 Hz touch sampling rate, and we are getting about close to 190 Hz only. So that's kind of close call. So not much difference as you can see friends. Right now I'm getting 310 somewhere around that score. Overall the iQOO Z3 has got exactly same kind of touch sampling rate what the actual company is claiming. So that is another good advantage. That's one thing to know. And let's move to the next application which is another screen. So this application is mainly useful to test those how much touch it will try to detect. Let me to move my finger friends. As you can see right now I'm trying to move the finger, and it's detecting each and every touch as you can see without any kind of issues. It's detecting very fast, no problem. Let me to move a little bit kind of faster. So now you can see the change when I'm trying to move the faster. It's not detecting every touch. You can see the gaps as well in the middle as you can see friends. So now you can see it's detecting only few touches. So if the phone has got the really high touch sampling rate, then definitely it will be able to detect much more touches. So that is what this demonstration is. Let me to quickly clear the screen. This with a slow movement, and this with a little bit kind of fast movement, and this with a fast movement. As you can see, this is very fast. You can clearly see here friends the difference. So the phone has got only the 180 Hz touch sampling rate. That is the reason you are able to see this little bit kind of gaps. If the phone would have got 360 Hz, for example, 360 Hz or maybe 480 Hz, that will be really smooth even when you're trying to move the finger really faster. So this is a quick touch sampling test on this iQOO Z3 device, and for more videos make sure to hit the subscribe and stay tuned friends. I'll try to keep you posted about this device, how is the performance and everything. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.